Welcome to Bodhi Surf Yoga's Learn to Surf series. We're here in Bahia Uvita, Costa Rica. My name is Spencer Dunlap and I will be your lead instructor throughout this 7-video series. So this series is for beginner surfers, and that could mean you've either never taken a surfing lesson before or you have taken surf lessons before, but it's been a couple years since you've surfed, or you just didn't feel like you got enough information the first time round. So anyone who has surfed anywhere from 0 to 10 times, this is an ideal series for you to learn. The idea behind this series is to take a beginner surfer who has either no experience or very little experience in the ocean, and by the end of the 7 videos, give you enough information to be able to paddle all the way out to the green wave zone and start catching waves out there. So there's a vast number of things we need to cover in order to prepare you to do that. So everything from being able to take your board out through the whitewater zone, turn it around, identify a good wave to catch, and then ride that wave in the prone position on your stomach, to turning right and left from your stomach, bringing the board to a stop, standing up to your feet using the pop-up or slide-up technique, being able to control the board from your feet, so speeding up, slowing down, turning right, turning left, falling properly, and then last but not least, being able to paddle your board out through oncoming walls of whitewater using the plank, the turtle roll, and different techniques to make it out past the oncoming walls. The idea is that by the end of the 7 videos, you should be able to do that, no problem, and start surfing green waves, which is the goal for beginner and intermediate surfers. Here at Bodhi, we also try and offer a holistic approach to wave riding, so not just surfing on a surfboard, but also body surfing, understanding how to generate a surf report, how to read waves, how to distinguish a wave that is breaking to the right versus breaking to the left. So this series that we've created really just covers the practical physical skills that you're going to need in the ocean. So if you want that more holistic approach to surfing and wave riding in general, then you'll have to come visit us here in Costa Rica.